Hello, it's Bruno with Old Timey Cabins. Looks like we've got a load of logs. And it's time to set them in place. They've all been measured, so I know exactly where they go. Now the only thing we've got to do is put a seal underneath here. And that's what we have done. This one barely won't even go because it's sealed so good. That's a good sign. So all we do is take our magic seal and we can put it in like this. It doesn't have to be real thick because the logs are cut so well that it'll squash it all into place when necessary. So a little bit goes a long way, even left-handed, as I hold the camera. Just a little bit more right here. All right. Now all I have to do is set that in place. I will try to do so. Oh, you can't see that. Darn it. Come on, come on. Well, you can't see much, but here we go. One side. And then the other. There we go. All right. So now it's all in place. And we've got a good seal.